Echelon Smart Kinetics App. The pros, the cons. When it comes to indoor cycling, the Echelon Smart Kinetics promises the energy of a studio ride without ever leaving home. But does it truly deliver the same excitement and results? Let's dive into the pros and cons to find out. Starting with the pros, the EX bike is sleek, sturdy, and designed to mimic a professional studio setup. Its magnetic resistance system provides smooth, quiet pedaling perfect for apartment living or late-night workouts. The resistance can be adjusted with precision, giving riders everything from light warm-ups to intense hill climbs. The Echelon Fit app is where the real magic happens. You get access to thousands of live and on-demand classes led by enthusiastic instructors. There are scenic rides, endurance challenges, and even cross-training sessions like yoga and strength training. It's not just cycling, it's an entire fitness platform. One standout feature is the leaderboard. Compete against other riders in real time, track your stats, and push yourself further every session. It's gamified fitness that keeps you coming back for more. Now, the cons. While the bike is affordable compared to some competitors, you'll still need a tablet or phone to use, as a display. The EX doesn't come with its own screen. The app also requires a monthly subscription, which can add up over time. Some users mention that connectivity can occasionally lag, especially during live classes. In conclusion, the Echelon Smart Kinetics app offers an engaging, studio-like experience at home. It's ideal for riders who love variety, competition, and convenience. If you're looking to bring high-energy cycling into your daily routine without breaking the bank, the EX could be your perfect ride.